So good day. So today we'll be considering quadratic equation. As you can see on the screen, quadratic equation, when we talk about quadratic equation, this is a form of quadratic equation. You have ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. So this is how all quadratic equation will look like. But what is very important in a quadratic equation is that this term must always be there. Other term may not be there, but this term must always be there. So you must have a term that has the variable. In this case, the variable is x. So it can be y, it can be p, it can be any other letter. So we are using x here. So this term must be here. This variable raised to power 2 must be there to make it quadratic. So a is the coefficient of the variable when it is raised to power 2. That is, the number at the front of the variable that is raised to power 2 is a. The one before the variable alone is b. Then the one that does not have the variable at all is c. That is a constant term. So we look at an example here. I have this quadratic equation 2x minus 3x plus 5 equals to 0. You will see that in this 2 is multiplying s squared, so which means our a is 2, so this will be 2. Then b, what is multiplying b is what multiplies x, so what is multiplying x here is minus 3. Please, the sign at the front is very important. Are you with me? This one 2 is the same thing as plus 2, so if you say 2 is the same thing as plus 2, so putting plus here will not change it. Do you understand what I'm saying? So minus 3 is our b. Please, the sign is very important. Then c is the constant term, which is what? Plus 5. Then in this we have 8 plus 8, 7x minus x squared. Don't forget, a is the term that multiplies our x squared, but there is no number here, so if there is no number there, it is 1. So it is 1. Take note of that. So that means our a here is what? Minus 1. Very good. Then b is what multiplies x. What's multiplying x here? That is plus 7. Then the constant term here is 8. So we can say 8 or we say plus 8. So 8 is the same thing as plus 8. So this one is also a quadratic equation. We have what multiplies x here, x squared. Whatever multiply your x squared or y squared or any letter squared is your a. So our a here is 2. You can see that there is no term with x, so that means our b here will be 0 since there is no term with x. Then the 16 is the constant term, so that will be 16. If there is no constant term too, just like if I have something like this, if I have 3x squared minus 7x, this is a quadratic equation that has no constant term. So our a here will be 3, a here will be 3, b here will be minus 7. Do you understand? So I'll continue with the rest in the next video.